In front of me is Honor Pad 8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Biometrics and Password. Then hit Face Recognition at the top and enter your current login method. Following that, hit Add Facial Profile over here and tap on this icon next to Enable Rise to Wake to switch it off or on. When you finished, hit Get Started at the bottom right corner. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Then you can type in wherever you want to name your profile and hit Done. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!